Today I'm going to show you how to make a slip knot. This is the first thing you need to know when starting to crochet. So the slip knot is what you need to get started on any project. There are quite a few ways to make a slip knot. I'm just going to show you my personal favorite way today to do it and the way I like to teach people. So how I do it is I make a loop with this tail going over the top of the other end of the yarn. I pick up this end here, flop it over the top of this part here. Then I'm going to grab that center line with this hand, and with my other hand I'm going to grab those two tails and pull. And then this is where your hook goes. You just pull it tight till it's nice and snug on your hook. And then you would use not the short tail but the rest of the yarn to start doing your work. Now the fun thing about a slip knot, and the reason you use a slip knot, is that if you don't like it, if you're undoing it, if you're done, all you do is pull both ends and it slips right undone. So I'm going to show you that one more time. So you're going to make a loop with your tail going over the top of your yarn. You're going to grab the end, fold it over, then you're going to grab this with either your finger, or you could go ahead and grab it with your hook. And with your other hand, you're going to pull these tails till it's tight. One last time. Doesn't matter if you go over the top or from the bottom, just as long as this front end tail is on the top of your other piece of strand of your yarn. Grab the loop, fold it over, grab that center line, and pull the two tails. And that's it.